Kristin. I'm 36 years old. I had a mommy makeover with Dr. Walden, and that means I had a breast augmentation, tummy tuck, and then I went back about a year later and I had liposuction on my legs. I would say the mommy makeover was most important to me. I'd had 3 children, including twins, and that left my body kind of a mess. A lot of loose skin and just problems that exercise could never fix. After having twins, I went to see a trainer to try and get my pre-baby figure back. And I spent months working out, and finally the trainer told me that no amount of exercise was going to give me the flat stomach I had before children. The trainer said that really I was going to have to undergo a cosmetic procedure to fix the loose skin that I had. And today, after having a mommy makeover, my stomach is flatter than it was even before I had children. I was reorganizing some things in my house recently, and I stumbled upon the box with my wedding dress in it. I tried it on just for fun, and it looked better today than it did 10 years ago. And I know that's thanks to Dr. Walden. After I had my first consultation, I knew right then that I was going to get this done. I could tell just how confident Dr. Walden was in herself, and it made me feel just as good about her. And once I saw that this was possible, I knew I was going to do it. I have a busy life. I have 3 young children and I work full-time. I didn't think plastic surgery was an option for me because I was worried about the downtime. But if I had known years ago how easy it truly was to recover, I would have done this a long time ago because I feel so good now. Dr. Walden and her staff made it really easy for me. I was back to work just about a week later. The recovery was so much easier than I thought it would be. And I think that's thanks to her and her staff. I would say Dr. Walden is really kind, she's really compassionate, and most of all, I would say she is the best at what she does. I trust her implicitly. The procedures that I had done were not small procedures. They took hours, but I had no fear at all because I knew that she was excellent. I didn't have one moment of fear. If I were to have another procedure, or if I had a friend having a procedure, I would trust her again and I would recommend her to anyone. With Dr. Walden, we have big city experience. She trained with the best of the best in Manhattan. I think Austin's really fortunate to have a plastic surgeon of Dr. Walden's caliber here in Austin. There's no need to go anywhere else for plastic surgery. I feel completely confident now to put on a bathing suit at any pool or beach, which is not something I could have said, even in my 20s. You know, people do ask how I do it after having 3 kids, and I am not shy to say it's because I had a mommy makeover with Dr. Walden, because I want people to know that they can do it too. I don't think plastic surgery is something that people should be embarrassed about or keep a secret. I want everyone to go and get this done, and I'd like other people to feel just as good as I do. I chose Dr. Walden because she's a mother like me, because she is the best at what she does. I wanted someone who could relate to my concerns, and so when I found Dr. Walden, I didn't look any further. She was a mom like me. She understood what I felt about my body after pregnancy, after having babies, and so once I found her, once I looked at her credentials, her excellent training in Manhattan, I didn't go to any other physicians. I just went with my gut, and I'm glad that I did.